What's up, everybody? My name is Desmund Richey. I am a second-year pharmacy student here at Southwestern, and today I'm going to take you along with me for a day in the life of a pharmacy student. And so you guys will get to see kind of the cool stuff that we're able to do in the pharmacy lab that I'm in. We have class this morning. It's a little bit of a longer day, so we have class from about 8:20 to noon. I'll take you along for the ride. Like I said, this morning is a little bit longer, so I'll probably see you guys at lunch. Here we go. Alright, y'all, so we just got done with class for the morning. Some of the different organizations, they'll kind of put on different meetings. We'll have different people come in. Today we had the antimicrobial stewardship pharmacist from Mercy. He was in, he did a presentation kind of what he does, what it takes to get there. And so we're about to go home. Gonna eat lunch real quick and then get ready for lab at 2. So I'll see y'all then. Alright, y'all, so today on the menu we got a little bit of chicken and rice, you know, just the norm. What we did add was some little bit of Asian zing sauce over it all from Buffalo Wild Wings. Can't miss, can't miss. We got a little bit of a break in between classes, so it's like 2 hours between, you know, the time we end our last class of the morning to where we have lab. And so I kind of just take that time to eat lunch, kind of just de-stress, you know, if there is any stress, which, you know, with pharmacy school, you never know. I will see y'all here in a bit. Weatherford's a pretty cool spot. Me being in pharmacy school and, you know, having to study a whole lot, it really slowed everything down for me so I could really focus on, you know, school. SWOSU is probably a little bit bigger than my high school, but the class sizes are about the same and everything. And so that adjustment, you know, that transition was really smooth for me, thankfully. You know, I've appreciated my time out here quite a bit. So we are just pulling up for lab, and yeah, so we're gonna walk in and, you know, I'll catch y'all here in a bit. We're almost there. Okay, here we are on the pharmacy floor.
I hope you're not filming right now.
I am filming right now. You wanna say hi? This is Dr. Long. This is the pharmacology professor for my semester.
Hello.
Anything you want to say about SWOSU or pharmacy?
Oh, it's fantastic. Yeah. You need to come here. Best pharmacy school in the state, in the country.
We got the lounge here. What's up, bro? How you doing?
I'm doing all right, you know.
Good, good. This is a cool little spot that we just hang out in between classes. Usually have some snacks out here for us. Bunch of sugar, but we love it.
That's what I heard.
Just lap things out here. Very weak left hand. All right, guys. So we just got out of lab. It was a pretty interesting lab, pretty busy. Let's ask a couple of our classmates how it went today, huh? All right, guys.
I think it went pretty good.
It went good.
It was a fun lab.
It was a lot of diabetes addressing things. We did a lot of different skills, I guess, and assessments. The lab that I'm in this semester is pretty interactive. We do a lot of cool things. As far as a lot of partner work and a lot of different assessments, a lot of hands-on stuff. So it's pretty fun. Getting ready to go to the gym, go work out. It's part of my daily routine, you know, gotta get some physical activity in at least. I'm actually headed to the wellness center that we have on campus. It's free to all SWOSU students. There's a weight room, there's a track, there's basketball, there's a ton of different equipment, ton of different balls, ton of different things you can use. What's up, y'all? I am back from the gym, get in the shower, get some food, kind of refuel a little bit because it's been a long day, but we still ain't done yet. Job's not finished. So I'll see y'all here in a bit. All right, we just pulled up to the library. There she is right there. There's Duke. Go Dogs, baby. What's up? How you doing? What's up, Cash?
What's up? How are you?
I'm gonna say what's up to the vlog. All right, y'all. Ran into my friend Taylor walking out of the library. Taylor, say hi.
Hello.
Ooh, very fancy. How do you like SWOSU?
I like it. I like the education department. They're all super helpful in there, and even the professors in the biology department, even if they're not my advisor, they're always willing to answer questions that I have.
So what would you say your favorite thing about SWOSU is?
The people.
The people? Hey, that's a good answer. That's a good answer. All right, y'all, so I just pulled back up to the CPP, the pharmacy building. You know that we're college kids and we like to study late at night, so they actually leave these doors open for us to come, and some of the rooms on the 3rd floor unlocked so we can, you know, study, because I don't know, sometimes it's just hard to get stuff done during the day. And so I'm actually meeting a couple friends up here. We're going to grind out some work and study for some tests we got coming up. Finally arrived back home from studying. It is currently midnight, so we put the work in. You know, pharmacy school is full of long hours, long nights like this, but you just gotta appreciate the grind, and I do love it, love the process. I appreciate you guys joining me for a day in the life of my life as a pharmacy student. I hope I represented SWOSU well, I'll say that, you know. Hope you can come join me and be a dog. Go Dogs.